Welcome back to Profitify. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the tantalizing world of online money making. You've heard the success stories, you've seen the results, and now you're itching to get a piece of the digital pie. Well, you're in the right place. From the seasoned digital entrepreneur to the budding freelancer, the internet is a treasure trove of opportunities begging to be explored. And you, my friend, are about to embark on that exciting journey. First things first, freelancing. Are you a wordsmith, a design whiz, a coding guru, or a social media savant? There's a world of freelancing gigs waiting for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com serve as bridges, connecting you to clients across the globe. Imagine that, a global marketplace right at your fingertips. But the beauty of the internet doesn't stop at freelancing. Enter dropshipping, the ingenious business model where you sell products without ever touching inventory. You set up an online store, customers make purchases, and your suppliers handle the rest. And the best part? You can start with minimal investment and work from anywhere. Now, let's shift gears to affiliate marketing. Picture this. You recommend a product, someone makes a purchase through your unique link, and voila, you earn a commission. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about creating products or handling customer service. Just focus on driving traffic and watch your earnings grow. But what if you have knowledge or skills that others could benefit from? Why not package them into digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software? Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a global audience and generate passive income. Impressive, isn't it? These are just a few of the myriad ways you can make money online. Whether you're a creative maverick, a tech wizard, or just someone looking to break free from the traditional work routine, there's an online goldmine waiting for you. So, it's time to take action. Dive in, explore, hustle, and profit from the comfort of your home. And hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with more insights on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling and see you soon on Profitify.